Hey guys, so I heard you guys still waste money to buy Korean skincare product just to achieve this kind of glass-like skin. Like this 225, you still waste money to buy skincare product just to achieve glowing and glass-like skin. Like you don't know you can achieve that at home. You don't know there are some things you can do at home that would help you achieve that. Oh, you don't know. Well, don't worry, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you the things you can do at home that would help you achieve this kind of glass-like skin at home, okay? So without much talk, let's get right into it. But before then, please help me share this video. Share it to your loved ones so they will also benefit from it, okay? So let's get right into it. So to prepare the treatment, you will need rice flour. Guys, let me be honest with you guys. Your skin is not glowing because you are not exfoliating your skin. Yes, you are not exfoliating your skin to get rid of dead skin cells on your skin. That is why your skin is always dull and weak. First, we will prepare this treatment which will help us to exfoliate our skin and get rid of dead skin cells. So you will need rice flour. Go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of rice flour into the plate. You can prepare your own rice flour at home if you don't have one. Just get 1 cup of rice. Wash it and sun dry it. After sun drying it, you blend it. After blending, you sieve. Whatever you sieve out is your rice flour. So this rice flour is very important. It helps to lighten the skin and exfoliate the skin. So after that, the next thing you add is yogurt. Use natural yogurt, not the sweet one. Okay, go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt into the treatment. This will help to retain moisture to your skin. Natural yogurt also has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. So go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of it into the treatment. Like I said, guys, if you start using this kind of treatment to exfoliate your skin at least once in a week, trust me, your skin is going to change. Your skin is going to be clear. Your skin is going to glow. You don't even need to waste much money, okay? So after that, the next thing you need to add is rose water. Rose water also has a very good skin benefit. It helps to rejuvenate your skin. It helps to brighten your skin. So go ahead and add some amount of it into the treatment until you achieve the consistency that you want, okay? We don't want it too watery. If you don't have rose water, the next option is to add milk or normal water, okay? So after adding the rose water, you go ahead and mix it very well. After mixing, at this point, if honey is suitable to your skin, you can also go ahead and add honey. Now, if you have dry skin, please add coconut oil to this treatment. If you don't have dry skin, you can skip it. But if you have dry skin, add coconut oil into it, okay? So that it will help to moisturize your skin as you exfoliate. So that after exfoliating, your skin will not be too dry. That's why you need to add coconut oil into it if you have dry skin already, okay? So now after mixing it, the next thing is to go ahead and use it. Guys, I will show you how you can use this to exfoliate your skin properly and get rid of dead skin cells and get rid of oil built up on your skin and also help to unclog your clogged pores, okay guys? So right now, you take some amount of it, start using it to exfoliate your face. Use it to exfoliate your face. After exfoliating your face, you can also use it to exfoliate your whole body or exfoliate your knees and elbows, all the places that you find problems on. Go ahead and exfoliate those areas with this treatment. And after exfoliating those areas, you go ahead and wash your face or take a shower. And after that, you moisturize your body with your cream. You moisturize your body with your, if you have vitamin C, after exfoliating your face, apply vitamin C first before you apply your face cream. This will help because you've exfoliated your face. Now your skin is open. You've unclogged your clogged pores, like you've opened up your pores. Whatever treatment you apply on your face will penetrate into your skin. So guys, after washing your face, you can just go ahead and Apply your vitamin C or face cream. Do this at least once in a week and your face will glow. You will have a clear skin. Bye.